Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in banking tech to make your financial life a breeze. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to send an ACH transfer from Wells Fargo in 2025. If you're new here, ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse, and it's a secure, electronic way to move money between banks without the hassle of checks or wires. It's perfect for paying bills, sending money to family, or even settling business transactions. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Wells Fargo mobile app or website ready. In 2025, Wells Fargo has made this process even smoother with enhanced security features like biometric login. Start by opening the app and logging in with your fingerprint, Face ID, or password. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, select ACH Transfer from the options. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. This includes their bank's routing number and account number, which you can get from them directly. Double-check these to avoid any delays or errors. Then, input the amount you want to send and choose the transfer date. ACH transfers can be scheduled for future dates, which is great for planning ahead. Before you hit confirm, take a quick look at any potential fees. In 2025, Wells Fargo might offer some ACH transfers for free, especially if it's to another Wells Fargo account, but external transfers could have a small charge. Also, keep an eye out for the daily transfer limits, which are typically around $25,000, but this can vary based on your account type. Once everything looks good, review the details one last time and authorize the transfer. You'll get a confirmation email or notification almost instantly. And that's it. You've successfully sent an ACH transfer. Remember, always prioritize security by using strong passwords and monitoring your accounts. If you run into any issues, Wells Fargo's 24/7 customer support is there to help. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. See you next time.